Download and install this Wi-Fi password hacking app. After installing it, simply open the app and select these options one by one by toggling them on, exactly the way I'm doing here. Once all the required options are selected, go down and tap the scan button at the bottom. Now the app will start scanning. This usually takes a couple of seconds, so just wait patiently until the scan is finished. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of all available Wi-Fi networks in your area. I'm selecting the first one by clicking on this side button here. On the next screen you'll see some more options. From these options, enable only the specific ones shown here by toggling them on and leave the rest untouched. After that, tap the Attack Network button at the bottom. Now the process will start automatically. You don't need to do anything here, just sit back and relax and let the process complete. This step may take a couple of minutes, so don't panic if it feels slow, that's completely normal. Once this part is finished, you'll see another step called the decryption process. After the decryption is done, the app will display the network password key. Now let's test it. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select the same Wi-Fi network. Carefully type in the password shown earlier. And tap the Connect button. Congratulations, the Wi-Fi is connected successfully.